Okay, so now we are going to start a mock interview for Manish. This interview is for EIL. So Manish, first of all, you introduce yourself.
So my name is Manish Dadge. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I completed my secondary and higher secondary education from Latur, Maharashtra. After that, I completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Technology in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karak, with an aggregate CGPA of 8.57. During my college days, I have also taken part in extracurricular activities such as event coordinator in college fest and also an active volunteer. Also, along with the academics, I have got a silver medal in design of reinforced concrete structures from NPTL. And finally, coming towards my hobbies, I like walking and cycling. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vikram sir.
Okay. So yes, Manish, you said you got gold medal for
The
your
silver,
project design of silver medal.
silver.
Okay, from
Then
NPTL. So what you did?
So there was 12 weeks program in which assignments were given, and we have to watch that lecture and solve the assignments. Along with after 12 weeks, there will be an exam on the overall that 12 weeks videos which were provided.
Okay. So what type of exam was there? On the basis of what? Designing of what?
Sir, it was on subject reinforced concrete design subject, sir, whole concrete.
That is fine. Design of beam, column, foundation, depth,
Everything, sir.
everything.
Yes, sir. Subject,
Okay.
whole subject.
Okay. So what is the meaning of this design of beam? How will you define?
Sir, should I tell steps or should I just define?
Just define. Only define.
Sir, we have to find the dimensions and the percentage of steel.
Okay. Dimension and percentage of
Steel, sir.
steel.
And
And
grade
on
of
what basis?
concrete.
On what basis you define this should be the dimension of beam?
Sir, firstly, the span is, we know the span, and we know the length to the overall depth that on the deflection criteria. First, we will assume from the dimension depth, and for that depth, we will analyze that. If it satisfies, then we will provide that depth, sir.
Okay, you said length to depth ratio. What type of length? We have the different type of span. Overall span, clear span, effective span.
Sir, in this clear span we take, sir. Clear span to the overall depth.
Clear span to
Overall depth.
overall depth ratio. Okay. So this clear span to overall depth ratio, if you talk about the simply supported beam, then what is the value?
20, sir. Maximum value we can take 20.
Is it clear span or effective span?
Sir, I am getting. Sorry, sir. It should be effective span, I guess.
And how will you define the effective span?
Sir, it depends on two. It should be minimum of length plus support width or length plus effective depth.
Now suppose if you have to check the deflection due to load that is coming and whether it is less than this permissible deflection, then okay, or it is more, than we have to take care of that. So how will you calculate the deflection due to load?
Different formulas are there given, sir. Deflection formulas. From that we can calculate the deflection.
Like,
and if it is in permissible limit, then we can continue, or else we have to redesign.
tell me one deflection formula for a beam.
Sir, for simply supported, when we consider UDL, 5 by 384, WL for 4 by EI.
Okay. What is E here?
Young's modulus, sir.
Of what?
Young's modulus of concrete.
Okay. Is it short term or long term?
Sir, it is, I don't know, sir. I am unable to recall.
Okay. How will you define the creep?
Sir, it is a permanent deformation under constant stress with respect to the time, sir.
Manish, can you repeat again? Actually, your voice is breaking.
Sir, it is continuous deformation under constant stress over a duration of time, sir. It
Under a
increases
constant
with
stress.
duration of time. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Constant stress or load we can.
Okay. How will you define this constant stress or a constant load? What come under this?
Sir, we can consider dead load, sir.
Okay.
It is
Except dead
acting
load.
throughout this time. Sir, dead load or floor finish, these loads come under which does not change with
That is falling under the
maintenance
dead load,
constant.
Manish. Floor finishes that we have or any partition wall, etc. that we are considering all fall under the dead load. Dead load we consider. My question is, except dead load, any other load that you are considering in this permanent loading or sustained loading?
No, sir.
What is the reason of this time dependent deformation?
Sir, it increases with respect to time due to the shrinkage effect, or else as the hydration reaction goes on increasing, the water goes on evaporating, due to which it shrinks. That's why the value goes on increasing, sir.
Okay.
Now, you see what I ask you, Manish. Just have a look. You're just missing the terms. Like you said, this span to depth ratio, clear span. We never have the clear span. Nah? We always having this effective span. Effective span is that length of the beam which is participating in bending, right? So have a
Yes,
take care of that one. Second, design of beam can mean two things. Okay, don't go with the only one aspect. Design of beam can mean two things. One, what is the maximum load that beam can take, that we have to find out, or what is the maximum moment that beam can take safely. We are also calling it the moment of resistance. Second, what should be the dimension of the beam, what should be the percentage area requirement of steel in the section that we are going to do. One thing that you explain, second thing next. So have a look on that one. And if you're going
yes,
to calculate the deflection, so what you're considering, we have the two types of Young's modulus for concrete, short term and Young's modulus. Please take care of that one. Just have a look on the code, what IS code is saying, what is the value in the WSM, what is the value in the LSM, and what is the physical significance of this BMD and SFD here from the SOAP. Just have a look, correlate the things. Fine. And rest, this permanent loading, one example is the pre-stressing force. Have you ever seen the pre-stressing members?
yes, sir.
In bridges, we have the girder, that is a pre-stress member. Na?
Yes,
A pre-stressing force throughout the life of the member रहेगा उस PSC member के अंदर.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yes, Tyagi sir, over to you.
Okay, Manish.
Yes, sir.
So, Manish, why do you want to join Engineers India Limited?
Sir, EIL provides me a diversified range of projects where I can able to enhance my problem solving skills as well, sir.
Okay, so can you describe EIL in one or two sentences?
Sir, it is an engineering consultancy which provides services related to such as engineering, procurement, and construction.
Okay. Recently, our new parliament has been constructed, you know.
Yes, sir.
So, which company made that?
Sir, it was under the Tata project, sir.
And what was the total cost?
Sir, whole of the whole Vista project, it was nearly 20,000 crores, sir. Estimated cost.
20,000 crore. Who told you
Yes,
this figure? Where did you get this 20,000 crore?
sir, on internet I have seen.
Okay. So now tell me the vision of EIL.
Sir, the vision of EIL is to provide and total engineering solutions, energy solutions for the sustainable future.
So, different areas in which EIL is working, can you tell me some of them?
Sir, such as projects related to construction, infrastructure, also the waste and water management, nuclear and solar projects, and
So,
fertilizer.
among those available projects and different areas, what you have identified for yourself?
Sir, I think my background is civil. I will mostly contribute in the project management related services and the infrastructure related projects. Sir.
Okay. Now describe yourself in one sentence.
Sir, I am a person who can easily adapt in the as per the situation.
Okay. And what about your key strengths?
So my key strengths are hardworking, teamwork, discipline, and easy adaptability.
Hello?
Sir, you are
Yes,
on.
Manish. So how do you know that you are a hardworking person? Everyone does some work. So how do we say that this person is hardworking?
Sir, the work which we have given, I think we should give 100% to that so that it should be completed within time.
Okay.
And I believe that I am capable of that.
Okay. And what long-term career objective you have decided for yourself?
Sir, my long-term career objective is to be in a strategic profile such as Chief General Manager or General Manager. Sir.
Okay. So other than the knowledge of civil engineering, what other skills are required for that?
Sir, I think the main skill is dealing with the people.
Okay. Only dealing with the people.
Dealing with the people and the using the optimum resources to provide an quality work. Sir, I think.
Okay. And how are your software skills? Do you use some software also to practice your work, to understand different type of work?
Sir, I'm currently only used software related to the structure design, sir.
Okay, so which software do you frequently use?
Sir, I have used in my B.Tech software called as ETAP, sir.
ETAP.
Sir.
What is the full form?
Sir, full form is not there, I guess, sir. It is related to the structural design of buildings, sir.
Structural design of building.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Analysis and design.
Okay, good. And what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobby is walking, mainly walking and cycling, sir. Cycling I used to do on weekends, sir.
Cycling.
Yes, sir.
So in cycling, is there any concept of civil engineering involved, which you have studied during your B.Tech?
Sir, the main concept is that the roads which we construct, the friction between the roads and the tires, related to that we have studied, sir.
Okay.
Not the exactly dealing with the bicycle design or something like that.
Are you involved? Do you like to be updated about the current events happening in the world?
Yes, sir. But currently, I am not that much familiar, sir. I'm
So
reading
recently,
most
our Prime Minister got a big prize, the highest civilian award from one country. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
I'm not able to pronounce Papua Guinea or something.
And from which country?
Guinea, sir. Nation of islands, Papua Guinea or something. I'm not able to pronounce that word. Continue. Guinea, Papua Guinea.
Okay. Recently in Himachal Pradesh, our Prime Minister inaugurated one tunnel. Do you have information about that in the last month? Very important tunnel.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you read some blogs, some articles, and or refer some websites to keep yourself updated with latest trends going on in civil engineering? What technologies are coming? All these things. Do you do those things?
Sir, not currently. I'm not that much updated, sir. I'm preparing for exam. That's not that much. I just overview.
Okay. अच्छा, अपनी कुछ वीकनेस बताओ.
Sir, my one of the weakness is that I get much more. What you can say, if the work is given, I much more get deep into it. That's why it somewhat affects my completion time, sir.
ओके, तो आप क्या करते हो मतलब उस टाइम पे, अगर आप वर्क को कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, कभी मान लिया, तो कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो?
Sir, should I tell solution, sir? Or?
Yes.
Sir, I am binding myself with timing, sir. With in these 2-3 hours, that task should be completed or that subject should be completed with using stopwatch.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Okay, Manish, your interview is over now. So
Yes,
performance is okay. Okay, confidence level is also okay, no problem. Keep that high during the interview. And
yes,
whatever I have asked you, na, so later on you try to think answers properly for all these questions. Like how do you keep yourself updated with the trends? So learn, have a record of whatever you refer. Okay, what website do you frequently visit? From where you get knowledge of civil engineering? All these things you have to keep in your mind. To describe yourself in one word. Okay. So Kavita ma'am, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, any question from your side?
Actually, थोड़ा सा ना, actually मुझे यही लग रहा है सर, आपने like clear about what you are answering. You should be very clear about what you are answering. आपको अभी और थोड़ा सा HR के मॉक्स की भी जरूरत है थोड़ी सी. यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग वेरी दिस थिंग, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से आंसर नहीं कर रहे हो चीजों को, तो इट इज बेटर कि आप 1-2 और मॉक्स लगाओ उसके. व्हेन इज योर, आई थिंक 29th को है आपका?
yes, ma'am.
So 29th मीन्स मंडे. ओके, तो कल आप मॉक कर सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं है.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है,
जो क्वेश्चंस, जनरल क्वेश्चंस हम बताते हैं, ठीक है ना, उन पे थोड़ा वर्क करो, प्रिपेयर करो सीरियसली उनको सबको, और सोचो उनको थोड़ा सा कि भाई क्या चीज मैं बेस्ट दे बता सकता हूँ इसके बारे में. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये ऐसा ना हो कि वही आंसर करो जितना सभी लोग कर पाए, कुछ उसमें स्पेशल लाओ हर एक आंसर में.
अब जैसे सर ने आपसे पूछा था, जैसे सर ने आपसे पूछा था कि आप EIL क्यों लेना चाहते हो, तो आपको EIL के प्लस पॉइंट्स देने चाहिए थे कुछ उसमें. ठीक है, कि आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, व्हाट डज इट डू, कि आपको उससे इम्प्रेस हो या कुछ ऐसी चीजें. ठीक है, आपको आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स पता होने चाहिए, वीकनेसेस पता होने चाहिए, आप क्यों उस रोल के लिए सूटेबल हो ये पता होना चाहिए, आप EIL क्यों आना चाहते हो ये पता होना चाहिए, आप नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स में अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हो। EIL के आपको हायरार्की स्टडी करनी है, आपको 5 इयर्स 10 इयर्स 12 इयर्स में आप कहाँ देखते हो, 15 इयर्स में कहाँ देखते हो, ये आपको बताना है। ये नहीं बताना किसी और इंडस्ट्री में, इसी में EIL में कहाँ देखोगे आप अपने आप को। एंड यू शुड बी वेरी, मतलब आपको एम्बिशियस होना चाहिए, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मैं, आपको इससे मतलब नहीं कि कंपनी रूल्स क्या है, आपको उससे मतलब होना चाहिए कि मैं अपने आप को कहाँ देखना चाहता हूँ। ओके,
यस मैम।
राइट। तो मेनली तो यही होता है कि यू शुड अपना रोल की सुटेबिलिटी आपको पता होनी चाहिए। एज अ सिविल इंजीनियर आप कहाँ आते हो, कौन से कहाँ पर उसको हेल्प कर सकते हो, कंपनी को किस किस फील्ड में, हाउ विल यू सूट द कंपनी। ओके,
यस मैम।
ओके मनीष, सो वी थिंक यू हैव गॉट आइडिया व्हाट टू प्रिपेयर। तो एक बार इन सब चीजों पे सोचो और एक बार कल मैम के साथ स्नैप लगाने का ट्राई करो, ठीक है, जो भी HR की मेंटर्स हैं, और फिर आपका
Yes,
अच्छा हो जाएगा, ठीक है।
यस सर।
ओके।